Okay, we're live. Dr. Wu here. I'm about to take a questionnaire on sleep habits and academic performance of Hong Kong East-based community college students. Okay, thank you for the introduction. Thank you for the disclaimer. It's quite thorough. Let's see if it actually takes 5 minutes. Let's see if I can remember the past academic year, 2024 to 2025. No. That's it. I will continue. I think I'm doing well. I'm going to say I'm in social science. How many hours did you spend in bed? What does that mean? So how many hours, whether I'm awake or sleeping? Because people can do work in bed, especially if they live in subdivided flats or tong fong, they may do a lot on their bed when they're awake. When you went to bed. Okay, so I guess you mean sleep. Let's just say 8. Okay. Can you do half hours? So you must use whole numbers. You can't say half. All right, well, I'm going to answer 8 then. How many hours? I'm going to round up. Actual sleep. So again, you may want to allow decimal places, and you may want to change this question because I guess you're trying to compare the hours of sleep and attempted sleep versus actual sleep. And I still think I get 7.5, but I can't answer it. So I kind of see what you're doing here. Maybe 4 can be a bit clearer. I mean, maybe you don't even need this question 4 because you have this data on how long it takes to actually fall asleep. And then you may want to ask a question, how long does it take from your waking up to getting out of bed? No, during a month. So I'm thinking about the past year. So this would be like less than once a week over the past year. 3 or more times a week over the past year. How often have you had trouble sleeping? No. I think it's rare. So you're doing it less than once a week. Okay. So actually, answering 1 could mean once a month. I'm going to answer once a month. No. I mean, aren't these the same items? Coughing and snoring loudly are problems with breathing. No. Never? I don't know. How often did you feel tired? No. This is a very vague question. When? Like in a day? A weekday? How much of a problem? Again, I'm not sure what you're actually asking. Uh, Whew. This is definitely taking more than 5 minutes. How likely are you to doze off in these situations? Maybe you actually want to use the words here instead of the numbers. There are a lot of items here. Wow. I don't know. Like passenger in a car stopped in traffic. Like they're very weird. And in a way, our classmates may not actually have this experience in the past year being in a car for more than an hour, or in a car stopped in traffic. Some classmates may not use cars. So kindly consider that. Okay. 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 I can see 14 and 15 are slightly different. Sure. Yet this may not be a result of sleep. It may be because the assignment is poorly written. The curriculum materials are rubbish. That's why people have to reread things, not because of anything the student's fault. Okay, so this is a frequency scale. So you might actually want to tell students what the frequency intervals are. It may not be intuitive what 2 is, 3 and 4 are. Okay, thank you very much.